In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Math Autocorrect in Microsoft Word to streamline your document editing process. Whether you're a student working on math-heavy assignments or a professional needing to incorporate complex equations seamlessly into your documents, this feature can save you a great deal of time and effort. So, let's get started by walking through the steps to set it up. First, open your Microsoft Word application. Once you have your document open, you need to navigate to the File tab, which is located at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on File opens a drop-down menu with a range of options. From here, scroll down and select the Options menu. This will take you to the Word Options dialog box, which is essentially the control center for customizing your Word experience. Within the Word Options dialog box, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side with several categories. Here, you want to select Proofing. This section is dedicated to checking your document for any spelling or grammar errors, but it also houses some incredible features for automating and improving your typing workflow. Now, direct your attention to the right-hand side of this proofing panel where you'll find a button labeled Autocorrect Options. Clicking this button opens another dialog named Autocorrect, which provides a range of automatic formatting and replacement rules that can be configured according to your needs. In the Autocorrect dialog box, you will see a few different tabs at the top. For our purpose today, you need to click on the one labeled Math Autocorrect. This tab is specifically designed for managing how Word handles mathematical symbols and equations. When you're on the Math Autocorrect tab, look for a checkbox that says Use Math Autocorrect rules outside of math regions. Checking this box allows you to use shortcuts for inserting mathematical symbols and notation no matter where you are typing in your document, not just within designated equations or math regions. While you're here, you also want to make sure that the box labeled Replace Text as you type is checked. This option ensures that Word will automatically replace your shorthand notations with the proper symbols or formatted text as you type. Essentially, it activates the feature and ensures it works seamlessly alongside your typing. Once both boxes are checked, you're all set to enjoy a more efficient typing experience. Click OK to close the dialog boxes and save your changes. Now, you can start using Math Autocorrect outside of math regions, making your document editing process both faster and more accurate. Enjoy this newly configured power to enhance your productivity.